You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names, celebrity names included. There are many mispronounced. Stay tuned to learn more. Lindsay, you probably knew that one. Lohan. Too many people actually mispronounce it as Lohan, but no, Lohan. Lindsay Lohan is how she says it. And now you know. Like this video. If you found it useful, appreciate the support. Thanks for watching, and more videos for you here. See you there. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.